The SawCraft AI app is specifically developed for sawmills to make the sawing process more economical, efficient, and faster. The main function is to calculate the optimal cutting options for each log within seconds. After entering the length, diameter, and desired dimensions for boards and beams, the tool automatically generates precise cutting patterns that maximize yield and save planning time. Projects can be clearly organized to efficiently manage and evaluate construction plans, production lines, batches, or locations. Sawcraft AI provides sawmill professionals with comprehensive information to unlock the full potential of every log, and with the intuitive user interface, even less experienced users can effortlessly achieve professional results. Entire log piles can be analyzed to determine the potential number of boards and beams. The app guides the user through the entire cutting process with exact measurements and serves as a precise navigation aid for sawing. For contract sawyers, it also offers a cubic volume calculator, allowing the wood volume to be recorded directly at the sawmill and invoiced immediately, including additional costs. Sawcraft AI works offline, features a quick start mode, and offers short explanations on every screen to guide users step by step, your smart companion for every cutting task. Maximum yield with minimal effort, always.